And this is my first ever shaker card. And I made this for Momma Swift. Her name is Trisha. And she was the grand prize winner of hashtag Christmasinjulyfairies. So this is her card. It says, "Today is a very good day. Congrats." And then it says, "Enjoy." Little shaker card. Just for funsies. Yeah, I think it turned out really sweet. And I put, oh, it opens this way. I put a little note in there for her with a butterfly, and then an owl, and then shine bright. So there it is. What do you guys think? My very first shaker card. I think I did pretty good. Some of these supplies here were from the third kit from Annie's card making kit.